Hey there, fabulous folks. Hand-waving welcome to our thrilling and exhilarating debate training session. If you're a debate newbie, have no fear, you've landed in the perfect spot. Today's learning focus: what a debate is, how a debate works, types of debate, the rules we need to follow, rubrics for debate, roles in debate session. What is debate? Debate is an organized argument in which the participants discuss a topic from two opposing sides. Tell me, are they having a debate? Yes? Did you sense that too? Something feels off. A debate is like a friendly argument where two sides speak about a topic. One side says yes, we call that the affirmative side, and the other says no, that's the negative side. Each team tries to convince the audience or judges that their side is the better one by giving reasons, examples, and facts. I think it's pretty clear to you that debate is not about fighting. It's about sharing your ideas politely and confidently. Why debate is important? Debate teaches critical thinking, research, public speaking, and teamwork skills. It encourages empathy, respect, and understanding of different viewpoints. Studio microphone types of debate. Formal debate, a structured debate with clear rules, time limits, and two sides, for and against. Often used in schools and competitions. Informal debate, a casual discussion where people share different opinions without strict rules. Happens in classrooms or group talks. Types of debate by platform. Online debate, debates that happen virtually, using digital platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or even social media. Offline debate, face-to-face debates in a physical setting, like a classroom, auditorium, or debate hall. Roles in a debate. Team 1, moderator. Opens and closes the debate. Introduces the topic and each speaker. Ensures time limits are followed. Keeps the discussion respectful and on topic. 2. Affirmative speaker. Argues in favor of the motion, topic. Presents clear points with supporting evidence. Responds to opposing arguments respectfully. 3. Negative speaker. Argues against the motion, topic. Refutes the points made by the affirmative speaker. Presents counter evidence and examples. 4. Rebuttal speaker. Summarizes and defends their side, affirmative or negative. Highlights flaws in the opposing arguments. Clarifies any misunderstandings or misstatements. 5. Conclusion speaker. Wraps up the team's case. Re-emphasizes key points from their side. Persuasively restates why their position is stronger. Eyes observer role. One member watches the debate without participating. Takes notes on each speaker's performance, clarity, logic, evidence, tone. Shares feedback at the end, focusing on strengths and suggestions for improvement. May act as a neutral judge if a winner needs to be decided. Time management. Total time, 30 minutes. Platform, Google Meet. Participants, 5 minutes per child. Debate format. Each child gets 5 minutes total to speak. Their time is split into 3 parts. Opening opinion 2 minutes. Say what you think about the topic and why. Response or rebuttal 2 minutes. Say what you agree or disagree with from others' points. Closing thought 1 minute. Give your final words or strongest idea. Basic debate rules. To keep our debate kind and fair, here are some important rules. Be respectful, no interrupting or making fun of others. Speak clearly, so everyone understands you. Stick to the topic, don't talk about unrelated things. Wait for your turn, don't speak over others. No bad language, use polite words only. Be honest, use true facts if you're giving information. Mute when not speaking. If it's an online debate, keep your mic off until it's your turn. Online debate tips. Checkmark check your internet before the debate. Checkmark join on time and sit in a quiet place. Checkmark look at the camera so it feels like eye contact. Checkmark smile and be confident. Checkmark keep paper and pen ready if you need notes. How to prepare for a debate. Choose a topic you are passionate about. Research and gather information to support your argument. Practice speaking clearly and confidently in front of others. Tips for effective debating. Effective debating requires preparation, research, organization, and communication skills. Stay calm and respectful, and present your arguments clearly. Conclusion and next steps. Now that you have learned the basics of debate, it's time to put your skills to the test. Join the debate club and continue to improve.